Welcome viewers to my channel Electrical Tutorial. Um, After watching the videos, if you think that the videos are helpful for you all, then kindly subscribe my channel and so share the videos, like the videos. Okay, so let's start today's video. So in our previous class, we have studied the series of basic electrical engineering, where in previous lecture I have discussed about the basics of resistance. Okay, so today I will start from a topic that the standard symbols. That means the symbols that we are used for any electrical circuits. Okay. So first of all, we will start from the basic component, so like conductor. So how we can represent the conductor in an electrical circuit? The conductor will be straight line like that. Okay. In electrical circuit, we always represent a conductor using a straight line, right? Secondly, switch. So how we can represent the switch in an electrical circuit? The switches will be like that. Okay, so this is the symbol of a switch. Third one is the resistor. So how we can represent the resistor in an electrical circuit? The resistor will be like this. Okay, this is the symbol of resistor. Fourth one is the capacitor. Okay, so capacitor will be represent like this will be the capacitor. Fifth one is the inductor, right? So how we can represent the inductor? The inductor will be represented like this way. Okay, sixth one is rheostat. Okay, sixth one is rheostat. So how we can represent the rheostat? Symbol of rheostat is like this. Okay, like this. So rheostat also known as variable resistance. Variable resistance. Okay, seventh one is emitter, right? So how we can represent the emitter? Symbol of emitter is like this. Okay, next one. So in emitter there will be two polarity terminals. One is positive polarity, other one is negative polarity terminal. Okay, next one is the voltmeter, right? So symbol of voltmeter will be this one. Okay, like the emitter, it also have a positive polarity terminal and a negative polarity terminal, right? Next one is the galvanometer. So the symbol of galvanometer will be like this. G will be there. Okay, next one is the battery. Next one is the battery. So the symbol of battery will be this way. Okay, there will be two stick. One is larger, other one is the smaller, right? The larger one will be considered as positive polarity terminal and the lower one will be considered as negative polarity terminal. Okay, next one is the ground. So we can represent the ground like this way. Okay, we can represent the ground like this way. Next one is fuse. So the symbol of fuse will be this way. Okay, and last one is the lamp. The symbol is this way. So this is all about the basic symbols that we can use to construct an electrical circuit or to represent an electrical circuit. Okay. Now here we are studying about the DC circuit. So our next topic will be Ohm's law. Okay. So before understanding the Ohm's law, we have to understand another concept which is potential difference. Now what is potential difference? So to understand the concept of potential difference, let us consider a simple electrical circuit having a resistor, okay, denoted by capital R, and a battery, right? Obviously it is a DC source. And we consider there are two edges of the circuit. First one is considered as A, other one is considered as B, right? अभी देखो यहाँ पे क्या होता है, यहाँ पे जो डीसी सोर्स होता है, इस डीसी सोर्स कनेक्ट करने के बाद हमारा सर्किट में क्या होगा, सर्किट में एक करंट सप्लाई होगा, राइट? वो करंट को हम रिप्रेजेंट करते हैं आई से, आई करंट सपोज फ्लो हो रहा है डीसी सोर्स कनेक्ट करने के बाद, राइट? अभी क्या होगा देखो, ये जो सर्किट है, ये सर्किट में क्या है, यहाँ पे रेजिस्टेंस है. अभी रेजिस्टेंस का प्रॉपर्टी क्या होता है, ये फ्लो ऑफ इलेक्ट्रॉन जो होता है उसको क्या क्या करता है, वो ओपोज करता है, राइट? रेजिस्टेंस ऑलवेज ओपोज द फ्लो ऑफ इलेक्ट्रॉन्स. So just because of that, the voltage at point A will be V suffix A and voltage at point B will be V suffix B. अभी देखो, जब भी करंट यहाँ से फ्लो होता है ए टर्मिनल से, यहाँ पे क्या होगा, एक वोल्टेज होगा जिसको हम V सफिक्स ए से रिप्रेजेंट करते हैं, राइट? इसके बाद के कंडक्टर में क्या होता है, रेजिस्टेंस होता है. अभी ये रेजिस्टेंस क्या करेगा, करंट का जो फ्लो है उस फ्लो को ओपोज करेगा ना, ओपोज करेगा. ओपोज करने के बाद का जो वोल्टेज होगा, ऑब्वियसली उस वोल्टेज क्या होगा, वोल्टेज का वैल्यू बहुत ही कम होगा, ठीक है, कम होगा. सो यहाँ पे जो डिफरेंस होता है वी ए माइनस वी बी, इसी डिफरेंस को हम क्या बोलते हैं, पोटेंशियल डिफरेंस, राइट? इसी डिफरेंस को हम बोलते हैं पोटेंशियल difference. Now we will understand the concept of Ohm's law using the concept of potential difference. Okay. So first of all, let's see the statement of Ohm's law. As per Ohm's law, we know that the ratio of potential difference between any 2 points on a conductor to the current I flowing between them is constant, right? That means the ratio of potential difference. So before that we have studied about the potential difference using this simple circuit, right? Potential difference means the difference of two voltages of two different points of the circuit, right? So the ratio of that potential difference बिटवीन एनी टू पॉइंट्स, राइट? मतलब यहाँ पे जो ए पॉइंट है, बी पॉइंट है, ये दोनों पॉइंट के बीच में जो पोटेंशियल डिफरेंस होता है, जो वोल्टेज का डिफरेंस होता है, वो डिफरेंस एंड सर्किट का जो करंट होता है, इसका जो रेशियो होगा, ये रेशियो क्या होगा, कांस्टेंट होगा एज पर ओम्स लॉ, राइट? ये रेशियो क्या होगा, कांस्टेंट होगा. बट देयर इज ए कंडीशन. द कंडीशन इज keeping the temperature of the conductor constant. The condition is temperature जो होगा सर्किट के सराउंडिंग्स में, वो कांस्टेंट टेम्परेचर होना चाहिए, राइट? सो the ratio of that V by R will be constant. The only condition is the temperature must be constant, right? Therefore we can write the voltage by current, that means ratio between voltage and current equal to constant, right? Okay. Now we know in a circuit the value of resistance is constant. So we can replace the value of constant using the resistance R. Okay. So finally, as per Ohm's law, we can write V equal to I into R, right? Where R is the constant. Okay. Now we know if we remove the constant, then one proportionality sign will come, right? So we can write V is directly proportional to I. Now, how we can represent the relationship in a graphical representation, right? Let's see. We consider the current across the x-axis and the component voltage across the y-axis, right? The relation between both the components is directly proportional, means if the value of both are directly proportional, right? So that means if the value of current increases, then the value of voltage also increase, right? The value of voltage also increase, and if the value of current decreases, then the value of voltage will decrease. So that means both the component depend on each other. So by considering this condition, we can plot the graph as linear graph passing through origin. Okay, passing through origin. So in the graphical representation, you can see if the value of current increases, then its corresponding voltage also increases, right? If the value of current increases, then the corresponding voltage also increases. Okay. So final conclusion is, according to Ohm's law, the ratio of voltage by current is constant. The only conditions is temperature must be constant, right? If the temperature remains constant, then its corresponding resistance also remain constant. Okay, so this is all about the concept of potential difference and Ohm's law, right? Thank you.